How to add contact on Skype for Mac. Skype is a very good app to keep in touch with friends and coworkers. To add a contact on Skype, you will need to do the following. Click on the contact button from the top. Here, click on the button New Contact. On the search, you will need to add the username of the account you want to add, or the name for that person, or even the email. Let's search the email. Now let me search a part of a username. How you can see that Skype found multiple contacts with the name. If there are multiple persons with the same name, the best way to choose who is your contact that you want to add is to look at the picture. Now tap on Add for that person who you want to add as a contact. The person you added as a contact needs to confirm your contact add. Wait the other person to respond. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.